In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger, step-by-step setup guide. Start by using the link in the description or the pinned comment to open Hostinger's current deals page. The banner you see may change with seasonal promotions, but the process is the same. Click the Claim Deal button to jump straight to the pricing plans. You'll see three main options. Premium is the beginner-friendly choice and usually the lowest price per month. It lets you host multiple WordPress websites, includes a free domain for the first year, and offers weekly automatic backups. That's enough for most first sites. If you want more flexibility, look at Business. It increases resources, supports many more websites, and most importantly, adds daily and on-demand backups. That's a lifesaver if you tweak your site frequently. If something breaks, you can roll back to a recent version instead of losing a week's worth of changes. Finally, Cloud Startup gives you significantly more power and capacity. Consider it if you need more than 50 websites or expect heavier traffic. Choose the plan that fits your needs and click Choose Plan. In this walkthrough, I'll proceed with Business. On the checkout page, look for Have a Coupon Code. Enter the coupon provided in the description or pinned comment and click Apply to lock in an extra discount. Next, pick your billing period. The longest term typically offers the best value. For example, the 48-month option often brings the lowest monthly rate and may include extra free months on top of a free domain for the first year. The 24-month term costs a bit more per month and usually doesn't include those bonus months, and the 12-month term is another step up. The 1-month option is the least cost-effective and generally won't allow coupon discounts, so it's not recommended unless you specifically need a very short commitment. Now, you can search for your domain right on this page. If you already have a name in mind, type it in and check availability. Not ready yet? No problem. You can leave it for later and claim your free domain after you create your account. Click Continue. Create your account using a reliable email address so you receive important setup details and login information. On the final page, review your order summary. You'll see your plan, the applied discount, and the total price. Enter your payment details and complete the purchase. That's it. You've just learned how to buy a domain and hosting on Hostinger. Choose the right plan, apply a discount, and finish setup with confidence. When you're ready, log into your account to finalize your domain and start building your WordPress site. Enjoy.